Hi, this is apparently with Molly. This is my mom. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
This is my brother.
Get in the closet or die.
And this is my sister, which is right there, probably in the dark. And her twin. Yeah. And that's Jack.
I saw that.
That's Jack. That's Mariah. And that's my mom.
Hi again.
Well, this is how you treat a tornado warning. We're in the closet because of the tornado warning, of course. So, here's one good. Number one rule. Don't get out of the closet. Unless you are a mom or a dad, because you know what's happening. Number 2. Don't sneeze on other people. Number 3. Don't cough on other people.
Wear a helmet.
Number 4. Don't ever go outside of the house. Or exactly what he said, apparently. And here's some things that you can do. You can read, bring a book or something. I don't want our house to get crashed. Get cupcakes, eat them, have happy. Hum a happy tune, or tell jokes. This is Apparently with Molly. Apparently. Bye.